Hello guys, welcome to Simple If Hub. Today I'll be taking you on a guide on how to monetize your Facebook page. Without further ado, let's head straight to my folder. This is my folder where I have my Facebook. This is my Facebook app. I'll click on the app. You open the app. Here I'm on my Facebook account. Then you scroll, you come down to this menu here. You click on the menu. You can see this interface. Now we have you're seeing professional dashboard, pages, create support and all that. But what I will do, I will still go to this page and locate the page that I want to monetize. Pages, you can see here I have different kind of pages, but for the purpose of this particular video, let me go on this page, this pet paradise. Okay, then you come here and switch. You click on switch. While you wait to switch to the page, what next to do, we go to this menu down here. Also click on the menu. Now brought us back to this particular interface. We are seeing professional dashboard. Then we go ahead and click on this professional dashboard. It has taken us to the professional dashboard. What we do next, we scroll up. You see here where we have tools. So you are seeing monetization, you are seeing page access, ad center. But now we are interested in monetization. We click on this monetization. Also, we allow it to open. This is our professional dashboard. You see we have many criteria here. You are in monetization already. Now you can see here it has stated that we are not eligible yet because we have not met all the criteria that are required before you can be eligible to monetize your page. Now let's face, these are all the platforms that you can use and monetize your page. We can do it by making money including ad in our reel. We can also amplify your earning as a creator with bonuses. You can also make money by including ads in your live video. You can also make money including adding your original public video to start monetizing in a in-stream ads. This one is more simpler. So let's just open all these particular platforms and see which one that we can meet the criteria. Okay, we open here, then you scroll up, you come to this eligibility. You can see here the eligibility criteria here. They said here add-on reel are currently only available by invitation. You will be notified if this change. That means Facebook will only invite you when you are qualified, or when this thing is changed. You will only be using this particular platform to monetize when you are being invited. Okay, let's go back and check other ones. Okay, let's come to the bonus. You click on the bonus here. Let's go to the criteria. Also look at the eligible criteria here. Also it stated also bonus programs are currently only available by invitation. That also means you can only use this one to monetize or make money when you are invited. Also, let's go back. Okay, let's come to this live ad. We click on the live ad. You scroll down to see the criteria. You can see this criteria here now. These are the ones that is easy. It's not by invitation or anything. See here now, you say 0 of 7 criteria met, meaning I have not met any criteria on this particular one. You say you reside in an eligible country, you follow Facebook content policy, monetization policy, then that means you must live in an eligible country. all your content that you will send must follow Facebook monetization policy. Your content must be original. Then this third one, you can see, you say your profile has at least 10,000 followers. This one you must have at least 10,000 active followers before you can be qualified. The fourth criteria here, this content criteria, is saying your eligible video include on-demand, live, previous live have been viewed at least 600,000 minutes in the last 60 days. Wow. You can see you have to, all your content that you have been posted or created must have at least 600,000 minutes viewed. If you can see here now, I created this particular page 2 days ago. I only have 491 minutes viewed out of 600,000. That is a long mile to go, but it's very easy also if you put on the work. You can see the fifth one. You say at least 660,000 of those minutes are from live videos. So all those minutes here, at least the 60,000 of them must come from your live video. The sixth one, the fifth one rather, you say you have shared 5 or more eligible videos in the last 30 days, right? So the last one here, you say at least 3 videos were previously live in the last 90 days. So guys, if you meet all these criteria in this particular live ad, you are qualified to monetize your account. Okay, let's head back to the more simpler one that is more easy to attend. We go back, we are coming to in-stream ad. Let's click on the in-stream ad. You scroll up. When you scroll up, we are going to see the eligibility criteria. So you can see this one now. It said 0 of 5 criteria met. I've not met any criteria. Just like I said, I opened this page 2 days ago. You say you reside in an eligible country. The same thing you said. You follow Facebook content monetization policy. All your video content must be original, no copyright. Look at this one. The other one said we must have 10,000 followers, but this one is telling us we will have only 5,000 followers, active followers. You can see here now I have 108 followers, so I'm still have a long way to go. So the content criteria here again, this one, he said your eligible video includes on demand, live and previous live have been viewed at least 60,000 minutes in the last 60 days, while the other one was telling us 600,000. This one is saying 60,000, and in this one you see I already have 490 minutes viewed already. So I will still show you guys and calculation on how to set up your goal so that you can meet all these criteria easily on another video. So last one here is saying you have shared at least 5 eligible videos in the last 30 days that were either on demand, live or previous live. So if you meet all these criteria in any of these 2 platform, you are qualified to monetize your Facebook page. So if you can see here, you reside in an eligible country. Is Nigeria eligible country? Nigeria is not one of the eligible country, but don't mind, never mind. Every other people knows how they do it. Those are our skit makers, those big boys in the social media that make money. They make thousands of dollars and they are living here in Nigeria. So I have a video also that will tell you exactly what you will do to monetize while you are here in Nigeria. Very simple also. So guys, this is it. Simple way to monetize your account. So if you pass all these criteria, you are good to go. So guys, please like and share this particular content. If you find it so interesting and insightful, please help me and share this video, like, make comments. It will help Facebook to publish more of this video for you and reach out to many other people that need video like this. Thank you. God bless. Peace out.